World's hardest game. This is nothing compared to that. Shoop, and now we just book it. Now we just book it. Now we go. Whoa! I'm good. Sometimes I just gotta let a little bit of frustration out, and then we move. Then we move on, like nothing happened. Shoot! 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 I'm good. Shoot! Low 1-2. You snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. I've peed. on a lot of trees in my time. And from this moment onward, I will no longer ever use a toilet. I will intentionally, even in the freezing cold weather, go out of my way to walk outside, find a tree, whip out a little garden snake, and unload on trees for the rest of my life. Swoop. Shoop, too slow. Shoop, too slow. Shoot, too slow. And now we run, and we don't go too high, because if we go too high, then we get coached. Run, 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 run. Yes, yes, we're doing it. Oh my God, go in the hole. Yes. Oh, we're still alive. Whew, I thought I beat the game. Ah! Ah! I am good. I am chill. Whoop, too slow. Whoop, too slow. Whoop, too slow. Too slow. Too slow. And now we run! Bring it to the house! Bring it to the house! Touchdown! Alright, see, this game is easy, bro. And now I understand. There's like Donkey Kong way over there just hurling these things like spears. And now I understand how to get past it. Watch this. I mean, it's just too easy. It's literally... Wait, I could have just stayed straight. I feel like something's about to pop out, though. No way it was that easy. Okay, it was that easy. The ultimate strategy in this game I've learned is to just go in circles. Like, that confuses the trees. They have not yet invented the wheel. I'm not gonna die another time in this game. I understand it. See? Oh, it's too easy now. Just go in circular motions. Now, here's the thing. Do I choose going up those stairs? Ah! Okay, yeah, I think I do. Well, what happens if I go up here? That's insane. But no, I'm too good. I told you, I'm not dying again for the rest of this game. Alright, those trees... I was about to say, those trees were terrible, but I think that they were bait. Whoa! It was a little quicker that time. I might break my hand one of these days. Shoot, too slow. Oh, look at those pathetic trees. Like, what is that? Those ones are trash.